My name is Paul. I'm 49 years old. I'm from a small town, Shelly Beach in KwaZulu-Natal, and I'm a father of two beautiful children, and as you know, that obviously comes with a little bit of stress. I was about 30 years old when I first started noticing that my hairline was receding quite a bit. It started gradually at first, but it became always up to a point where it actually affected my self-esteem. Before RegroX, I used multiple other shampoos and hair growth products with over-exaggerated claims that they will grow your hair back within 1 to 2 weeks, which is just scientifically impossible. After noticing my hair loss, did some research about multiple products to get your hair growing again. The main ingredients that I stumbled upon was Redensyl, Anagen and Capexyl. While I was researching, I stumbled upon an ad about RegroX, and RegroX had all these ingredients already in that product, and I decided to give it a try. Immediately the hair that was about to fall out became stronger, and within about a month there was a regrowth of new baby hairs that just started growing abundantly. Obviously, as you age, your skin gets drier and also your scalp. Since I've been using the product, immediately I felt my hair had much more volume and my scalp wasn't dry anymore. It was moisturized because of the product. Okay, so the only side effect would be having a bit more hair. What I love about RegroX is that there is no side effects that I've experienced. With some of the other brands, I did experience skin irritation, and the other problem with other brands is I couldn't apply it before going to a meeting or going out because it had a smell that I didn't like. It took me about a minute to apply the product. It takes less time to apply the product than to brush your teeth. Currently using the APX, the VRX and the MRX. The APX is a serum, the VRX is the capsules, the supplements, and then the MRX is a spray that you apply just before you apply the serum. I decided to use the supplements to aid my body in healing the follicles from the inside out. If you have hair loss in your family, you can also use VRX as a preventative measure. After seeing my results, my sister also started using the product, and within a few weeks you could see that the thin hair and in a receding hairline started growing back again stronger, and the receding hairline looked like it was pushing back. What surprised me the most about my hair regrowth is the fact that I gave up on my hair. The ones that where I got bald spots, I thought that they will never grow back again. I was actually surprised to see that they could still grow back after years of not having hair in a certain place on your head. People using RegroX will definitely have more hair growing back. Your hair will come back thicker and healthier. People using RegroX can expect that their hair will grow back. It's a process, and you need to be consistent. You need to use the product every day as instructed, and you will definitely see the results within 4 to 6 weeks. Having my hair back gave me a lot more self-confidence. The first thing I noticed on photos that my hairline was receding quite badly. Lately I can see that when I look at previous photos or older photos compared to today, I definitely have more hair, and it helps me to be more confident. I would recommend RegroX to anyone that's experiencing hair loss, young, old, male, female, doesn't matter. RegroX will definitely get your hair follicles to start growing again. It doesn't matter how long you've been without hair. It's a myth that hair follicles die. It doesn't. They are just dormant and they can be revived again.